Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi name of Sudoku puzzle on April 30, 2023. Four star Sudoku. Ninth grade. We have two. So two can't come these cells. Then two is confirmed here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining 4 and 8. It will come here on the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, three numbers are remaining 1 to 8. First grade. We have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining 2 and 8. Third row we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First grade we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 will come in other cells, we will confirm later. First grade we have 1, 3, 8, that 3 numbers can't come these cell, it will come in another 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come here one of the cells, we will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 9th grade, column E, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5, it will come here one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column D, we have 1, 7, 2, that 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells, it will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 7th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5th row, we have 7, 3, 9. That 3 numbers can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Also, 7th row and 5th row, we have pair numbers, 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row and 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 6th row, we have 1 and 6, so 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 7th grade, we have 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column G, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 3rd row, we have 8, so it can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. In 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, column J, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.